Hello dear viewers, I am Gulam Nabi.
And I am Aisha Siddiqui.
आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के बारे में। हम लोग इस वीडियो में इंग्लिश में कुछ पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के ही बेस पर क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे ताकि हमारे व्यूअर्स को पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में स्पीकिंग करना भी आ जाए, साथ में ट्रांसलेशन करने में आसानी हो जाए। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। What are you doing your homework, ma'am?
Yes, I was doing my homework.
What were you writing?
I was writing English.
Okay, very good, ma'am. Was your mom cooking the food?
No, my mom was not cooking the food.
Then who was cooking the food?
My sister was cooking the food.
Was your sister watching serial?
Yes, my sister was watching serial.
Which serial was she watching?
She was watching Nagin serial.
Oh. And what was your brother doing?
My brother was at home. My brother was playing.
Okay, ma'am. And what were your friends doing?
My friends were at their home.
So they were not doing anything?
I don't know.
Okay, ma'am. Were they playing cricket?
Yes, they were playing cricket.
How many children were playing cricket?
20 children were playing cricket.
Okay. And were you watching cricket match?
No, I was not watching cricket match.
Well, and was your father reading newspaper?
Yes, my father was reading newspaper.
Who was knocking at the door?
I think my neighbor was knocking at the door.
Why was he knocking at the door?
He came to meet my brother.
That's why he was knocking at the door. Okay, okay, ma'am, very good. And who was playing cricket there?
There, all boys were playing cricket.
Okay, ma'am. Was your brother also playing cricket?
Yes, my brother was also playing cricket.
Okay, your brother was also playing cricket. And who was crying there?
Our baby was crying there.
Yeah. Was Basanti dancing on the stage?
Yes, Basanti was dancing on the stage.
Okay. And was Gabbar laughing?
Yes, Gabbar was laughing.
Okay. And was Kalia also laughing?
Yes, Kanya was also laughing.
Were the students fighting each other?
No, the students were not fighting each other.
Were the boys and girls quarreling?
Yes, boys and girls were quarreling.
Okay. And was your principal scolding to the students?
No, my principal was not scolding to the students.
Were you listening to the music?
Yes, I was listening to the music.
Were you sleeping?
No, I was not sleeping.
Were you using mobile?
Yes, I was using mobile.
Were you cooking the food?
No, I was not cooking the food.
Were you preparing coffee?
Yes, I was preparing coffee.
And were you doing your homework?
Yes, I was doing my homework.
Ma'am, were you helping your mom?
Yes, I was helping my mom.
Were you walking on the George?
Yes, I was walking on the road.
Were you walking on the road with your friends?
No, I was not walking on the road with my friends.
Were you exercising?
Yes, I was exercising.
And were you helping your friends?
Yes, I was helping my friends.
And where were you going?
I was going to Mumbai.
Why were you going to Mumbai?
I was going to Mumbai for visiting.
Okay. With whom were you going to Mumbai?
I was going to Mumbai with my family.
How were you going to Mumbai?
I was going to Mumbai by train.
Were you learning English speaking?
Yes, I was learning English speaking.
Where were you learning from?
I was learning from Global Spoken English.
Okay. Why were you bunking the class, ma'am?
Actually, I was suffering from fever.
Oh, that's why you were bunking the class.
Yes.
And were you washing the clothes?
No, I was not washing the clothes.
Okay. So were you doing your homework?
Yes, I was doing my homework.
And were you helping your sister also?
Yes, I was helping my sister.
Okay. Was your brother repairing the fan?
Yes, my brother was repairing the fan.
And were your friends playing volleyball?
No, my friends were not playing volleyball.
Then what were they playing?
They were playing a game in their mobiles.
Okay. And were you playing PUBG?
No, I was not playing PUBG.
So what were you playing in your mobile?
I was not playing any game. I was watching Ghulam Nabi sir's videos.
Okay, you were watching Ghulam Nabi sir's videos. Okay. Was your mom stitching the clothes?
Yes, my mom was stitching the clothes.
Were you also stitching the clothes?
No, I was not stitching the clothes.
Who was speaking on the stage?
My brother was speaking on the stage.
Okay. And were you listening there?
Yes, I was listening there.
Okay, ma'am. Who was taking the ticket?
My father was taking the ticket.
Who was asking the question?
My friends were asking the question.
Were you waiting for train?
Yes, I was waiting for train.
Were you sitting in waiting room?
Yes, I was sitting in waiting room.
Were you eating samosa?
No, I was not eating samosa.
What were you doing there?
I was using the mobile.
ओके माय डियर्स, तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग भी मेरे साथ में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे और पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस को इस तरह स्पीकिंग में आप यूज कर सकते हैं। आपने इसका इंपॉर्टेंस समझ लिया होगा, इसलिए हम लोग दूसरे ग्रामर को इसमें डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे थे ताकि पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस ग्रामर आपका अच्छा हो जाए। तो इसी अच्छाई के साथ में मैं अच्छे से आपको थैंक यू कहता हूं और आप लोग को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू वॉच करने के लिए। और अब तक के आपने अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो मेरे चैनल को आप
सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए
और वीडियो को
लाइक कर दीजिए
और अपने दोस्तों साथियों को हमारी वीडियो
शेयर कर दीजिए।
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।